Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. You are about to step into a sacred exchange. Long ago, in a garden, mankind reached for a fruit. It came from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. It promised wisdom, control, freedom. But when swallowed, it produced something else. Works of the flesh, bitterness, jealousy, fear, pride, anger. It looked sweet, but tasted like poison. It was like honey on the lips, but acid in the soul. That fruit was never meant to be yours. Now picture the Holy Spirit standing beside you. He holds in his hand fresh, heavenly fruit, fruit that is updated every morning, fruit that never spoils, never deceives. He gently invites you. He offers you love that casts out every fear, joy that becomes your strength, peace that surpasses all understanding, patience that silences anxiety, kindness that melts hardened hearts, goodness that rewrites every motive, faithfulness that builds legacies, gentleness that restores the broken, self-control that tames storms inside you. Now, hold out the old fruit in your hand, the envy, the gossip, the fear, the striving, all of it masked in fake sweetness. Say out loud or in your heart, I let go of this fruit, I return it. Now, receive. Take the fruit from the Spirit's hand. Eat. Feel its effect in your spirit. This is not imagination. This is transformation. The more you allow this exchange, the more power works in you. Like Paul wrote in Ephesians 3:20, He is able to do exceedingly abundantly, above all you can ask or imagine, according to the power at work within you. That power is this fruit. This is the secret. God updates his fruit every day, and the devil can never keep up. Each time you meditate on this, you recharge, you realign, you rise. Return here often. The fruit is fresh, the Spirit is waiting.